welcome back to the Cornerverse channel. Today we're going to be reacting to season 2 Today we're going to be reacting to season 1 episode 2 of Anne with Me. I'm excited.
Me too. I've had to resist pressing play all week.
Has it actually been a week?
Nearly. I think we did it on Monday and it's Saturday now.
Oh, okay.
It's been too long in my opinion.
Yes.
So I am ready for Matthew to rescue his gal and for a cute reunion scene. Yes, his gal.
Oh yeah, I forgot what happened last time.
How? Oh my god.
I don't know.
And some more scenes with your favourite character, the little boy.
Oh yeah, what's his name again? Aww.
No idea. So irrelevant.
Brutal.
Matthew. Okay, so at least she's going back to the orphanage and not to that woman that wanted her to look after the kids.
Yeah, but it's still not great.
Well, no. But he's going to get her back, it's all fine.
Didn't say a word.
Well, that's not like her.
He's gonna like get the horse and go to the town, isn't he?
Yeah. Hopefully, anyway. Who? What?
Oh no. I'm scared.
Oh my god. A pedo.
Stranger danger.
Oh, some sweets, yeah.
Some sweets. Child catcher.
Smart girl. Oh my god, no, he's chasing her. See? She ain't done. Oh my god, no! Oh. I hope they got away as well. Oh. He's desperate to get her back. We love it. Neither of them are coming back tonight, Marilla. What was that? A pair of pants?
I didn't see.
Could they not have sent someone to collect her?
I guess they just don't really care.
Oh, she was bullied in the orphanage. I thought that was from the woman's home. The theme song. We've got to learn the words to this by the end of the show.
Oh yeah, but the subtitles aren't on for the lyrics. Oh yes, they are.
Damn.
On the.
Are they?
Wait. No need. Oh.
I can't really work out what he's saying, to be honest.
No, I thought the words on the branches were the lyrics, but they're not.
No, so did I. Yes!
Fave.
Alright, Marilla, for God's sake. He's no Anne, but he's still a child. Oh.
We didn't see them return, I'm so worried. Please step aside, right, Sonia, you'd be beside yourself. I need to go. I must go now.
Oh my god, she actually did a good thing. Shook.
It is your fault.
Hopefully she has some development. Where did she sleep? Under the beautiful tree, maybe?
Under the beautiful tree? Are you telling me it's Anne?
There. Well, yeah, the one she thought was beautiful. Damn it, I thought that might be Matthew.
Then he got there fast, if he is.
Yeah. What the hell? How did she know who he was? I mean, he is technically a stranger, so I don't know about this Anne.
I trust him.
He seems alright, but you shouldn't really trust strangers anyway. Oh my god, he's gonna get there just as she leaves. No.
Don't know that, Georgia.
He probably will.
He might bump into her.
That would be all too easy. No, is he gonna sell it to get to Anne? No, he needs it now. Lovely. Oh, it's not her. What if he dies looking for her?
He's not gonna die. Stop assuming the
I'm really
worst.
scared. He was limping a bit. He looks very tight. Oh.
No, he's not dead. They wouldn't introduce the character and make him this main and then just to kill him off.
Wow, he doesn't look very well. Oh my god. She gets on with everyone. Well, actually, no, she doesn't.
Oh, I fancy some cake now. I thought that was cake that she had. Obviously it isn't, but I love how
What the
she's
hell
just
is that?
drinking the milk from the bottle.
Yeah, that's disgusting. It's a bit like a pirate.
Instead of an eye patch, she's got a bandage around his head.
Yeah. Bandana. No!
Prediction: they reunite at the end of the season.
No, it won't be that long. No way. End of the episode.
No, she finds a new family.
She goes off to live with the milkman. I'd be low-key down. He seemed nice. But not as nice as Matthew. Can't even open the door, for God's sake.
Yeah, it's locked. You can't expect him to Alohomora the door.
Oh no, I mean, what? The people inside.
Yeah, they're just gonna let a crazy man in with a bandage around his head.
Right, okay, true. He does look a bit weird. My girl!
Cute.
Merci.
Merci.
No, now please excuse me.
Oh, so rude.
But the girl is not here.
Oh, it is.
Milkman!
Thing happened yesterday, only that time it was a little girl.
Yes! Oh! What the hell is she doing?
Some form of busking.
Who would pay for that? Let's be real. Yes! How did he find her?
My prediction was so wrong.
End of the season, my ass.
Oops.
No,
Oh,
you're
she's
not.
mad.
No! Listen to him, Anne. He nearly died, Anne.
We're fine. She's my daughter.
Ah.
Yes!
Oh, she just wanted to be called a daughter.
Oh. She's coming home in episode 2.
Well, I don't know. She seemed pretty set. Yay!
They made it. Give her the brooch as a sorry.
Well, it certainly took you long enough to
Oh my god, shut up. I thought she was going to give her a hug.
No, that's going to be the end of the season. A hug.
The beautiful tree.
But
Give her a hug, Marilla.
she's not a huggy person.
Or a touch on the arm, then. I am Matthew. Tag yourself. That toast is too burnt for me.
Needs to be just slightly darker.
I like mine very light.
All this food is making me hungry.
Just had dinner, mate.
Yeah, I know, but I want something sweet. Like cake.
Jerry, that's his name.
Cute!
See, look how hard that toast is. She nearly broke her teeth.
You're back? How dare you sneak
Anne! Oh my god!
Why anyone would worry over you is a mystery for sure.
What?
Oh. So sassy, I love it.
Still hope they get together.
Mm.
I've missed you.
You only met once.
Yeah, and it was literally the day before.
Yeah.
I'm grateful.
Run up to her and give her a hug, Anne.
I'm not gonna.
I'm waiting on this hug. And don't eat it.
The guy is an orphan after all.
She put it back.
That's disgusting.
Learn your manners.
What is this stigma against orphans?
I suppose because they weren't brought up with any parents, so that can affect them mentally.
Already don't like her parents.
Oh, she needs to learn to ignore it. Are we gonna get our hug now?
What if though?
Makes me shudder to think of it.
At least you can see the error of her ways. I don't think anyone else would. A hug? Oh.
You could find it in your heart to
Forgive me.
believe me.
Oh.
Forgive me.
Close.
We can start the new
Come on. And start it with a hug. Close? I mean,
You may call me Marilla.
good. I was getting a bit annoyed at her saying Mrs. Cuthbert all the time.
What about Mum?
Not even calling people names that don't belong.
That sounds so weird.
We'd like you to sign this and take
Anne Cuthbert. then she'll really be part of the family.
We hope you like the sound of Anne Shirley Cuthbert.
I know I shall
Oh, I can't stop smiling.
Same.
Seems a little perfunctory.
Whatever that means.
What does that mean?
Break our fingers and mingle our blood as a symbol of our last.
Definitely
No,
not.
that is unhygienic.
Please don't do it.
Reportedly, there needs to be a ceremony of some kind in honor of such an auspicious moment.
No, it's not a cult.
Of much solemnity.
Solemnity.
I don't know what half the words mean. I feel really
Me
dumb.
too. To the Cuthberts. Tink.
I haven't got a glass, but yeah.
That noise.
Eh.
Oh my god, Anne.
Shirley.
Oh god. Oh, that was an abrupt ending. Oh, that went so much quicker than last time.
That went a lot. It was a lot better, I think.
Yeah, it definitely should be shorter episodes like that. The other one was too long. I liked it again.
Yeah, it was cute. Nice and wholesome.
Yes, there was no haunting flashbacks this episode, which I'm thankful for. It didn't feel like that much happened.
No. She literally ran away and then came back.
Yeah, I don't know how that took up 40 minutes. Matthew and Anna are as cute as ever. With the addition of
I
Marilla.
keep forgetting that he's literally called Matthew.
You need to get it in your head. Jerry clapping back at Anne was great.
Jerry is literally bae. Like, he's the best one.
No, he's not.
He is. He's so cute. He's French. He's hardworking.
He's not Matthew though.
Matthew's just an old guy who wants to be a dad.
Yeah, and it's so cute. Jerry's just a tiny boy who gets insulted by Anne.
There's more to him than that.
Hardly. Marilla, I liked her more this episode than last.
She's getting
liked-
better. She's still a bit snappy though, for no reason.
Yeah.
She needs to cheer up a bit.
I just wish she could express how she feels towards Anne more. But I mean, I guess asking her to join the family was
Oh,
big
that was
thing.
The best scene. That was the best.
yeah, that was the
scene.
best part of it.
So cute.
I'm wondering what's gonna happen with the rest of the season though.
Yeah, now I'm thinking that. Like, how are they gonna make storylines?
Yeah, is she gonna go to school or is she gonna work on the farm? Like, what's gonna happen with her?
Is she gonna get with Jerry?
Hopefully.
I hope not. It would just be weird. She's a child.
Or at least I hope they become friends. Well, no, not necessarily getting together, but it would be cute to see, like, one of them have a crush on the other and then how they act. Because they are, like, 13, aren't they? That is kind of crush
I guess
age.
It's still really young to be in a relationship.
I know. I ship too much to not have an OTP, so
Yes.
we're
true.
sticking with that for now. So, I'd probably give that... What did I give the last one? A 7. I think I preferred it because it didn't drag at all. Like, it literally felt like 20 minutes. So I'd
Yeah,
probably give it a 7.5 this time.
I'd give it a 7. Last time I went for 6.5, so I've bumped up to a 7.
Oh, it's going up.
It's going up, but it's still not up.
No, but a 7's respectable. 7's good. Just, it's not drama filled as we're used to, which is a bit of a culture shock for me.
Yeah, I guess. It's not as action packed as most things
exactly.
I've seen.
That is nice. I think I'm going to enjoy it. I mean, I was excited to watch the next episode, so...
Yeah, I'm excited to watch the next one.
So, you going to go get some cake now?
I'm gonna get my cake. I'm excited.
Well, thank you for watching, guys. That was our reaction to Anne with an E episode 2. Well, episode 3 should be up soon. Don't know when. But we have the uncut reaction on our Patreon if you want to check it out. But don't feel any pressure, it's just there for people that want to watch the episode along with us. And we'll see you next time. Bye!
Goodbye!